chicken and carrots and squid.
Your brother's been munching on the dry squid, babe. He likes it. Mm-hmm.
It's called squid. I like it.
Sit down, babe.
It stinks.
No.
I know I like it.
Sit down, babe. Sit down. Go sit down. Come on now, so I can eat also. Go, over there.
I love squid. Squid is my best. I like squid.
Gina, sit down. Okay, what about bihon na lang?
You. I
Babe,
hate it. But don't
give
worry.
me. What about bihon, babe? That's enough. You got
I want the fork. Ah!
You're
Just
still
wrong noodles.
Big mouth, babe.
Need the chicken.
Like it? Pansit, babe. Bihon. What do you call that? Bihon? How do you like it? Bihon? Don't know.
The bihon.
Bihon. You like the bihon. What are you doing? There's so much on your plate. Oh. Tina, you get... Tina. Nagpa ko na buli mo karon. Come here. Yummy. Your brother's just biting on the screen. So, look at your brother.
It smells gross. That's why it tastes good.
No.
Oh.
That's your daddy's. Every day.